In this video, I'm going to show you the unboxing of Apple EarPods with a lightning connector. You might think, why EarPods in 2025? I already have a AirPods Pro, but charging is a issue for me right now. So I thought of getting a wired earphones. The box of Apple EarPods looks like this. Here you can see the lightning connector on the box, and at the back you can see EarPods with lightning connector. You also get a EarPods with Type C connector also. Here if you can see that this is manufactured in Vietnam. So without wasting any time, let's open this. There is arrow. You need to peel it from here. You also get a user manual with these EarPods. This is how the EarPod looks. Previously on the older generation iPhones, you used to get this EarPods as a free, but you need to purchase it separately right now. Inside it looks like this. If you can see properly, this EarPods cable is not braided, so you have to use carefully. This is how the right side and left side EarPod looks, and you will get a mic with this. This is how the mic setup looks, and volume up, volume down keys. This is how the Apple EarPods with lightning connector looks. If you have a older generation iPhone, you will get a lightning port, so you can simply insert that and you can use this EarPods. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.